In this video, I want to show you how to change the screen timeout of your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. Go on the top right corner of your screen and drag down. Then click on the settings icon. It's the cogwheel. From here, all you have to do is to go down and select display. Go down and select screen timeout. By default, it's 30 seconds. Maybe it's too short for you, so you can change up to 10 minutes. Or if you want to keep your screen turned on as long as you're looking at it, you need to enable keep screen on while viewing. And this will use the front camera to see if you're currently looking at the screen, and the moment you turn around, well, the screen will go dark. It's up to you. You can choose any of these options. Just go back and it will get saved. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.